Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Southern Yankee. My name is Terry. I am excited. Today we have a Glamour jewelry box and this is new packaging. I don't know if this is going to be like the forever packaging, but I really love it. I love it with this like marble and pink and gold, really beautiful. So if you guys are new here, Glamour Jewelry Box, I do this once a month. They send me 3 pieces of jewelry. I did not pay for this. This was gifted kindly from Glamour. Thank you, Glamour. And we get 3 pieces of jewelry. Usually you get earrings, necklace, and a bracelet. And it comes in gold, silver, or rose gold, and it's specially curated. This is a keep bag, so once your items come in, they are yours to keep, and it is $29 a month. And if you use my code Terri, T-E-R-R-I, I'll put it up on the screen, you will get a 4th piece if you are a new subscriber. So for $29, you're gonna get 4 pieces of beautiful brand new jewelry to start your new jewelry collection. So if you don't have a lot of jewelry, if you're new to jewelry, if you don't know what jewelry works and looks good, this is great. Sometimes I get items in here that I will keep for myself a lot of times, and then other times I give pieces away if it's not my style. But honestly, most of these pieces are beautiful classic items that there's no way I'm not going to like. It's not like really out there jewelry. So we're going to go through. So this says, ready to fall in love. To kick off the fall season this month, we're bringing you a collection that is trendy, warm, and bold. Get ready to show off these pieces with your favorite fall outfits. I love that they themed it. That's blowing it out. I don't think you guys can see that. Anyway, there's a fall little note. Okay. And we have the little orange kitty for ambiance. What are you doing, cat? What are you doing? All right, so let's see what we got. Looks like I got gold this month. Ooh, I like this. Okay, and you get little cards that tell you the value of everything and what it is. So here's the first piece. Let me get this out. This is a Druzy, a pink Druzy necklace. I don't know if you can see. I have a little pink tank under here. And my top, in case you're wondering, is a Madewell top from Nordstrom. I can link that below for you because I think they still have them. Very pretty. So this is a gold Druzy necklace, just a pale rose color in the center. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Druzy is always so pretty. And it's just adorned on the side with a beautiful gold overlay. And this is fashion jewelry, guys. This is not, 14 karat gold or anything like that. So, and I don't think, you might be able to pick that you prefer gold or silver, but I do think you actually get a variety of gold, silver, and rose gold so that you can mix and match and really build all your collections. But let's try this pretty one on. Oh, I like this. It does have a extender, so I could make it longer if I so choose. So that's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna come in at the end. I'll zoom in on everything, and I will also take some pictures so you really can get a close-up of these off of me as well. So let's see. So this is a $30 value. This is from the Laurel Rose collection. There we are. And it says, the dainty light pink Druzy stone and delicate chain combine to create the Druzy necklace, a staple for your accessory collection. And again, that is $30 in value. All right. So sorry about the noise, the dog needed to go out, and Kenzie did that for me. The next piece is a pair of teardrop earrings in gold, which I really like these. These are the curated teardrop earrings. They're their own kind of timeless statement. The pair will easily be your go-to piece for any occasion, undoubtedly making them one of your new favorites. Retail price, $28. See, now these are a little bit of a bigger earring, which I love. And these, again, I think they're right. These are a classic teardrop earring that will match. It's not like it's leopard print. You can only wear it with, certain outfits. This is something you are going to be able to wear with every single outfit that you have. You can wear it with your hair up. You can wear it with your hair down. These are really pretty. So I'll put those on and see what they look like. Oops, I can't. There we go. There we go. See, those are just really nice. Those are really pretty. I like those a lot, actually. All right. And there is that one. Did I tell you what the value was? 28. So the earrings, the necklace was 30, and these are 28, so up to $58 so far. And then we have the bracelet, and this is a multi-layered bracelet. Oh, I forgot to tell you the collection. This is from the Sophia collection, the earrings. Okay, so this one's $26 of value, so you're roughly going to get about $100 in value on your first box if you use my code, because you'll get that extra free piece. So let me first of all bring this up before putting it on. This is pretty. Are those hearts? Yeah, they're little hearts. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. Well, they're like, it's almost round with like a little heart stamped in it, but it's a multi-strand bracelet, and it has little hearts on it. Here, let me get it straightened out here. There we go. That's really pretty. I don't know if it's going to slip over. No, I have to undo it. I don't know if I can get this on. I'm just going to show you guys a close-up of this knot on me, because I'm not going to be able to get this on and off. So I'm going to roll the pictures at the end so you can see each of the items. So this one says, layers on layers, this multi-layered bracelet is fun and chic, providing the ultimate and stylish arm candy, a bold and unique piece that makes the bracelet perfect for the season. See, I still see this as delicate. I guess they're thinking because it's multi-strand, it's like a statement piece. For me, this would be the statement piece of the bunch. And this one, I think to me, pink's a neutral, but you could wear it with a lot of different things. I mean, it looks fine with the taupe colored shirt that I have on. So I think you could wear all three of these pieces really with anything that you have. So, and everything comes so nice in their little Glamour jewelry box, little jewelry bag. So you could keep them in here, and you can keep the cards with them if you want to. And and have fun picking your jewelry every single month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I'll have the link down below for Glamour Jewelry Box. And again, use my code Terri and you'll get an extra free piece of jewelry. And I hope you'll subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Well, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. That helps me and I appreciate it. Thanks.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving.